amazing that he knows it's Victor by like one little piece?
I know.
Wow. Now let's see who's Victor.
Well, do you know what's in there?
Do you know what's in this one, Daddy says?
No. It will be Rocky.
Wow, is that another train?
I told you, Mama.
You did.
Now I'm gonna open this one. Who will it be? Who will it be? It's Hero!
Hero!
I really wanted that!
Isn't that a special train?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I wanted that. You want that? Now let's open this one. Who will this be? It will be. What will it be?
Another Thomas card game.
Wow.
Tonight.
Wow.
Now let's try to do this one. Who do you want to put them here, Mommy? Who them here? Emily!
Emily.
I wanted how too.
Wow.
Now let's see what's in this one. What's in this?
You should actually open that one first.
What? This one must be special.
This one I think is actually for Vivi. So open that one. Open that one.
Open that one first?
Yeah.
And then open that one?
Yeah, open these two first.
I still got Dino Tan!
Oh my gosh.
I
Wow.
wanted Dino Tan too!
Now open that one.
Okay, and then open that one. Who will that be, Mommy?
Hi there.
It's Kevin!
Wow. Who's that? Is that Toby?
Kevin.
Oh, that's Kevin.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now I'm confused.
Who could this one be?
My favorite.
Your favorite?
Yeah. Who will it be? I'm looking on the back.
Lady. Wow, I think you got all the trains now.
And you know who else is coming but didn't make it today?
What?
Toby.
Hey you, what are you up to?
Here, you can give Vivi her too. These are for Vivi.
Alright. Here you go,
All
Veep.
your trains.
I know.
So you want to go over them again?
No,
Who's that?
Lady.
Who's that?
Kevin.
Who's that?
Dino Tan.
Who's that?
Hero.
Who's that?
Emily. Rocky. Victor.
Good job.
Yeah. Now does that complete all your trains? Well, you're missing one because they didn't mail it.
Toby?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Toby,
you're
he'll
missing
be
Toby.
here.
I think but Toby's coming. I think there's a problem.
I know, but I need a different chain. I only need one more.
What's that?
Which one is that?
One more of Toby, but why did I not send them?
Well,
It will be.
it's coming. It's on the
soon.
way.
Okay.
I think something happened in the mail.
Can we open this?
We will open them, yeah, so you can play with them.
And
okay?
yeah, I guess you have all the trains now, right?
Yeah, I have all of them.
And where's Thomas and Henry and all the rest?
I can't find Henry.
You can't find Henry?
No, because I lost him.
I think
He
it's
might
on.
be upstairs, though,
Yeah, I
because
think-
there's two upstairs.
Let me go see.
Well, we can go see. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Bye.
bye.